Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli, ako si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong October 19. And para sa ngayong araw, ating sasagutin ang tanong na naglaho na nga ba ang katotohanan? Is there still truth in this world? And this relates to the topic of truth. Na kung saan, truth is rooted in God Himself. He is the true God whose knowledge and words are without error, deception, or contradiction. So, glory to God, no? Meron daw po siyang knowledge at yung kanya pong mga salita, yung mga salitang nanggagaling sa ating Panginoon ay walang kamalian. At wala rin itong bahid ng deception, ng panlilinlang, or contradiction man. So, unlike the shifting standards of culture, His truth, God's truth, is absolute and eternal. Absolute, ibig sabihin, hindi magbabago. And eternal, ibig sabihin, kahit na gaano katagal na panahon yun nung lumipas. So, sabi nga sa Revelation chapter 12 verse 9, the great dragon was hurled down, the ancient serpent called the devil or Satan, who leads the whole world astray. He was hurled to the earth and his angels with him. So yung embodiment of deception, na kung saan responsible for the whole humanity to be swayed, influenced to believe a lie, Satan cannot oppose God. In fact, ang nangyari po kay Satan, pinalaya siya. He was exiled out of heaven along with the angels that were also deceived by him. So, this means one thing. It means that God defines truth. Yung Panginoon po natin at ang kanyang katuruan ang siyang nagsasabi sa katotohanan. Maaaring maraming contradictions when it comes to God's truth and the world's truth. Kasi po, yung world truth, ito po yung nababago. It's easily interchangeable. That's why it's not the truth. It's not the actual truth. Kasi meron bang truth na nababago? Isn't truth supposed to be obsolete? Pero nga, dahil ito ay world truth, therefore it is changed and redefined by cultures. Cultures meaning merong mga grupo ng tao na naniniwala sa isang bagay. And kapag naniniwala sa isang bagay, yung grupo ng tao na to, they treat it as if it was a fact. As if it was the truth. Pero no. Dahil yung truth, nanggagaling lamang yan sa ating Panginoon. And to provide even more context, Jesus is the truth. For He is the way, the truth, and the life. So, we must turn away from the sweet lies of the world. Yung tinatawag nating world truth, quote-unquote truth, no? Because these are based on the beliefs of certain group of people. Now, they should be called beliefs. They shouldn't be called truths. Because yung truths, nanggagaling lang yan sa ating Panginoon. That's why we should treasure the truth of Christ that sets us free. Kasi yung pinaniniwalaan ng mga tao, ng mankind, ng iba't ibang culture, maaari ang magbago. Throughout the time, maaari ang mag-develop. Maaari rin niyang mag-contradict. Maaari rin niyang gamitin for the deception of others. Pero yung truth ng ating Panginoon, Hesukristo, hindi po yan nagbabago. Kahit na gaano katagal man lumipas, that will stay the same. And that will never aim to deceive you. So tolerate the differences of our fellow people. No? Kahit na sabihin natin meron silang own sets of beliefs, we should still be respectful. We should still show them love and compassion. For that is what God ordered us to do. And we can always agree to disagree. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.